Hi, sir, madam. Good afternoon. I'm Eden Tesoro, 42 years old, married with two kids ages 20 and 21. I am born again Christian. I have two brothers, and I am the second among the siblings. I worked 7 years in Hong Kong with two employers. My first employer is the Chinese. There are five members in the family. All of them are adults. My main duties is to do all the household work, including grocery shopping and car washing. My second employer is the Chinese. They are four members in the family, the couple and the two kids, ages 3.5 years old and 6 years old. My main duties are to take care of the kids, to bring them to school and to fetch them from school, and do grocery shopping and car washing. And my third employer is a Russian. There are five members in the family, the couple and the three kids. The eldest is 11 years old, second is 3 years old, and the youngest is 1 year old. My main duties is to take care of the kids, to do all the household work, including grocery shopping, and to take care of the pet because they have one dog. Sir, madam, please choose me as your helper because I am honest, reliable, and hardworking. If you choose me as your helper, I will try to finish my contract as long as you need me. Thank you very much, madam. Looking forward to see you soon. Have a good day.